Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Okie dokie. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check out their website. They have quite a bit of stuff there. And they're always updating. So Hessen Antique, feel free to check them out. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. And let's finish opening this up. Let's see if there's a manifest that will help me out. So I'm going to help cut this flap. Get that away. And we still have the other flap. So yeah, I really haven't opened this yet. Cut away from yourself. There you go. Okay, so got the manifest, and we have stuff in the box. So I just want to get some small items, but we did get several this time. So let me just read through this to re-familiarize myself. Actually, I haven't had time to open this since I actually received it. Okay, so let's do the small stuff first. Do something a little different. Usually I do the big stuff first, but I just want to check these out real quick. So these are separately packaged and then put into a nice little pack there, which helps. Sometimes your packages might be subject to weather and other variables which might affect condition. So it's always nice to have extra protection while mailing. Appreciate that. So this is a PVC French Foreign Legion Para Subdued patch with hook fastener. So I can go on the new patch wall. This, oh boy, Bundeswehr KSK Special Forces shoulder patch, new. Very cool. Very good stitching. So that is actually for sew on. I don't know if I'll be able to see that. That's just that. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the larger bag of smaller items. Obviously some berets here. So I believe this is a German Navy wool beret used, hat size large. Put this manifest out of the way. Bump the tripod in the process. Take a look at the label. Very nice, 100% wool. Uline. That side. So nice reinforced area there. 4 holes for the badge. Very nice. And stern. Yep. A little packet. So we are going to end up with a small packet here. Nice little symmetry in our unboxing. Here we have a Bundeswehr Maroon Beret, hat size 59, 7 3/8. Reinforcement area. No holes. This is totally new. Maybe. I do see an outline. But that could be just for that. This is very new. I'm going to have to do some shaping and shaving. Okay, put that over there. Okay, now it gets to the nitty-gritty, the more difficult stuff. So you can see how they package this for protection. Bag, paper wrap, layered. So first one off the layer, I'll just hold it up and try to refer to the manifest at the same time. See, this is a multi-piece. This is a early East German Army cap insignia, two-piece variant. Very nice details there. Double pin, and you can see how it's actually different materials for the two-piece. Logo. You can see details. It's a little hard to focus. Okay, let's put that out of the way. Next layer. Okay, this should be a German police cap badge, Landespolizei, Saxony, Anhalt. Please excuse my bad pronunciation. Very nice. I like the way the finish is done on that. I like that a lot. Let's just make a nice little row here. Next layer. Okay, now I'm going to start getting more confused here. I know it's a beret badge. Spezialkräfte. Kommando, Spezialkräfte, Bundesmarime beret badge. Well, let's say that's included in the package. And lastly, yeah, that is. And then last one is a Bundesmarime Marineschutzkräfte beret badge. So we can apply that to possibly this in their correct area. And then this can possibly go with this one. Neat, huh? So, again, this is all from Hessen Antique. 2 pages because that didn't all fit on there. That's what threw me off. Okay, so again, in order, Bundesmarine Marineschutzkräfte beret badge, German Navy wool beret, PVC French Foreign Legion para subdued patch with hook fastener, German police cap badge, Landespolizei, Saxony, Anhalt, Bundeswehr Kommando Spezialkräfte beret badge, Bundeswehr Maroon Beret, early East German Army cap insignia, 2-piece variant, and then last but not least, Bundeswehr KSK Special Forces shoulder patch new, all from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. They have quite a bit of stuff on their website. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also have other playlists of more specific show and tell, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy type objects, and starting a book review series as well. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.